Yeye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Tariki na ikomi mutienyo kianda mwaka 2025 litukonerie Jumatano karibu naende chinsa 10 igorego cha maragoba mangana mayese nchire yobekano geteseni kyao kyabene Nensoko TV ngoro kwa Daniel omwaga nyoranga mwanchumurire abagotubwati agwetirisa mitandao yeto ya Facebook amano ya YouTube eriko nyora mangana maye amo na mangana ande senchira ayobo ikana ulitangani tegato chake korwa ime iyo semochi o Nairobi. Mwanchu magereria karibu nende nkumanyese nchira yo bwenge mayaga ayo mwakili imati ukialo mbombu goitwa asogweto kurasoma sasit kurega maragoba meyansema Nairobi asensemo ya Karene bono nigo omwakili George Murara kurwa semo ya Kisi eso kireben na kureba abo boseko bolia abarayi bo bosoborendi bwime na bayigo bakorawo amo no mwakili Kipchuma Mukromeni weso kyari gokora butwongo kweneke nga abali abakente yakoro ekionko beku ubare byara kokwana nabarikie amangana mayakorwa asensemo area ya Kisi ese ekigambere kene ya Kisi nanyani igone mwakiri oyu ateberenga eserikali nigo yarare mono esenge nchama tukabwango iga nigo ebikoro byo boiti byagenere kwenekibwa ime yomochi o Nairobi
igoro marogoba umu advocate omoriki nando mwalimu wa mangana ya sheria umu advocate Matthew Chalombobu na agetwa masasi na goitwa ase egetongoji kia Karen ase Southern Bypass ekero akoendie gari yaye ogoitu kwaye kwegona marogoba nabo gwa deteto ogoichano konene ase ntwa ba advocate n'abananchi ba Kenya ase gekagie etirege sinene kiabere buna Nairobi tebwati oborendi boisaini na yigono ya adire shirose ya rekanire aso goitu ko advocate yoyo we miaka menge okorire gasi yoboteneneri okorire gasi yoko ya mangana yeri chiko nege katiba goitwa kiholela asichinza chamagaso igage to masasi ekera ko ndie gari yaye asichinze chwe kamba kabona iga serikali teracha wose ebitengo bya uchunguzi wose ebitengo bya usalama mbiracha gototebina montonde bwansi obwatru osonde bwansi okageirwe oyo bwente ko barubuna nere uskanete na ogoita kwa Mbobo Chalo asebona gotokoboria na ayago tebo gusarureka na oborendi bwa keire gusubwa didimira se omochoito o Nairobi omo minister Murkomen omo PS Raymond aba inspector general Kanja omo director of the DCI Amin na aba bande bonse ba NIS nebitengo binde byonse bya ogochunguza noborendi bwa Kenya baligerire na nduguchiko ba sense ebwate bono bwoba etamenyati nege ikaro asenge jotogenete na igora nyore ogoito osonya nyora majira asenge chobo gaidi wa mente kandira somo cho Nairobi ne chinsa mo chindi chinsa yake
na botika na yo mwancho mulgete gatoske motu ime ye county ya Kisi ase aba MCA gwetane ye miye mo kurase county area ya Kisi amana yamira bayire ko gendera gakore miremo amono moraibwense William Ruto ere ko ratamagendera chinse mo chiria abakora akorau amo ono oliabwa bange ase county ya Kisi omoske Henry Moracha nigawe MCA batebiringa niyo bawochogendera korega sino moraibwense orabisi William Ruto ere wekiranya magendero chinse mo chiria abakora ikyagera morayerobisi nerabwe ko rabaretera magendero ase ebonoiga.
We have received an invitation from the head of state, who is the president of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto. And we have resolved as a house today that we'll be going there later this week. And our agenda is first, as members of the County Assembly, to thank him for allowing county assemblies in Kenya to have autonomy of their resources.
Wakati ugatuzi yetu ilikuja devolution, sisi tuliweza kuwa na miradi tofauti tofauti. Na kuna miradi ambaye imekwama. Na hii miradi tusipoenda kwa rais tuzungumze naye aweze kutueleza sababu ambayo miradi mingine imekwama na tupate jinsi ya kukamilisha hii miradi, tutakuwa tumeketi tu hapa kama watu ambao hatuna mwelekeo. Mkiangalia katika sehemu zote nchi yetu ya Kenya, waangalia hapa katika eneo la Nyanza, watu wamepata maendeleo.
Gotika nayo yabe msie kurwase county ya Kisii mwana Nyamirio mwancho muligeria ati gatoske motigo ikasense meria ya Eldoret. Abatene ne babarai beti university waswa kurwa ase university area Moi niko bararigo ikia beno mugiro abo mwerio umugiro yirange metienyi ebere. Muligeria nigo batebirenga umwekirana gwekire bose chinkwana chekeranire gati ya bamone serikali iri bara chikogendereria ogwikisego chikogenderia masomo abo na botambe. Omogiro obwa barimu abo ase university ya Moi nigo iregeka kimeti enyembere mwancho muligeria na bono yekiro mwerio ase abarokibwa bakagira gwikirana ase skuru eyo gochakere ikie gocha ero kugenda na masomo abo obo ikiranu mega yo mogiro obwe metienyi angebere egati ya aborokia be skuru eyo amane serikali igoro mo musanano obwo gotwakano achibesa achiabo.
An amicable understanding has been reached. In this spirit of cooperation, OWASU was resolved to suspend the industrial action and work hand in hand with the university to address the issues raised.
Absolutely nothing that we cannot solve through discussion, as demonstrated here. Wesonga and I and colleagues from union, the VC is here, and so we are going to solve all problems.
Both parties recognize that many of the challenges affecting the institution are historical in nature. We are jointly working with all relevant stakeholders, including the Ministry of Education, the National Treasury, and other government agencies to ensure that these issues are resolved comprehensively, transparently, and sustainably.
Na mwancho mrageli goska motu ni gomora ewe kia makeria kia wepa patriotic front umesike Kalonzo Musyoka araire ikaro kia basai amanaba subati eria batebiringa baikara nebene as siasa. Kalonzo iwara gekregekera ira matuko abere imeyense ya Kenya se abarai au abasai amona basubati kurasi byama au imeyense ya Kenya bekirana manyenigo niga basegitira basawo mona basubati igwikirania bene ebikaro byabo nabegenga yao yokorigobora imeyense ya Kenya. Kalonzo nigateburenga echine chinga kicha basai amona basubati wekirania bene ase enchere yamo yokora ense ya Kenya eyarekanire gutwara oburayo bobe korengana nere amatuko abwanguiga.
My honest submission is let there be a blanket admission by this administration that they wrongfully detained, they wrongfully maimed, they destroyed people's property and blamed it on other wrong people, that there must be a blanket apology to the Kenyan nation. That would be something. It is not possible in a democracy to deny people the right to speak, the right to go to church. Even in churches, some of us are in church, they throw tear gas in the church. They beat you up.
From here, the youths are being encouraged so that they can be in a position to take the national ID, register as voters, because we want the youths to participate in the 2027 national elections and also vote the leaders of their choices. Out of this also, we've come out on ways of which we are also criticizing the government based on some of the activities which are being done and not skewed towards the youth. We want the youth out of this to be realized in terms of the representation and also gender balance as per our Constitution 2010. And also out of this, the leaders are also being urged that they implement the Constitution of Kenya that they were sworn the time they were assuming these offices. So going forward, from here, we'll be traveling in different parts of the country to offer the civic education to the youths so that they register as voters. Apart from registering as voters, also take part in the 2027 general election and also these by-elections which are yet to come. Because once they elect these leaders, they are going to be offered them representation, legislation, because they are also going to be part and parcel of the laws which are being made.
Gotina nayo mwancho mageria tiga tutamboke moki ke county ya Tharaka Nithi Mugabana bwe county ya Tharaka-Nithi Midomi Njuki oyoboye igoro munyakerebo obwe kamiti erebo chenu ase egekareke kyabagabana nigo abagikiburoro abamenyi be county ya Tharaka-Nithi baria abakobasegeta abamenyi be county eyo kunganya burwere bwabo korwa sinyagitari cya serikali goikakinya gitari kiria binafsi erinde ose esekeringa kinyagitari cya serikali nchibwati bagwenia aboisaine kokwana kerakoretaro asenyagitari ne yachuka omugasorero ndomi niga abaganiri abamanyi be county ya Tharaka-Nithi botanganye abaroire babo ko kinyagitari cya serikali esekirate beringa kinyagitari cya serikali nigo kigenda twikirane bokorari eborobu ya asabaroire bari abikibwa sinyagitari ekyo.
It has become so uncontrolled and so bad that they spend only an eighth of their time here in the hospitals, and the rest of the time, which is 7 over 8, is spent in their private practice. Yet you're paid non-practicing allowance. We even pay strenuous allowance. And when a doctor is on call, they are also paid emergency allowance for coming to attend to our patients. So our hospitals have almost become ghost because of this referral system. And I want to tell the people who are listening to me of Tharaka-Nithi, we are putting measures in place, and I want a system put in place so that our people know where to complain. If a doctor refers you to their clinic and you go and find out that the same doctor was seeing you here, sent you there, within confidentiality, you need to report that doctor.
Otika na yo mwancho mwagiria tirane mekeme county ya Nairobi umurayibwe nse musike William Samoei Ruto nigo tukarayaro abariganiri abambasada korwa enseria ya Angare ense ya Algeria Uzbekistan Misri Slovenia amo onense area ya Ukraine goteba ense ya Mexico imenyombe na yoburai ya status omugasorero kubarigania imenyombe yoburai ya status Ruto nigo abaganiriye abambasada abu kogendera kubeko bwa matomu yagati yabo monechinse chiria abakwakirisha imeyense ya Kenya erukirane bokorero buya imeyense ya Kenya asate biringense ya Kenya nebwato bwa mataba ya nebwate bwa matobu ya ucyastinse se chonsi na nigo bachikwendera wikirane meroberi aho yamagendero imeyense ya Kenya. Chireka chia butokirine chidageka 12 chinsa 10 chabona margoba mwanchumulgirelia ngancherengi kerio mwero gaba mangana mayese nchera yobekanu korende Thomas Agosuka emeroberi au orengena teko kubwate kurete seni kiao kia abene again Soko TV nsaya mona nyaro sobekanu abaigone chinsa isto chamargoba bali badenge mega yech camera anamona Ferisas Kabendi director Zak amo na Brian Achaka na inche gokoro kwa Daniel Omwaga kukonelio margoba oromotwereru.
Nyakubwa talibolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemerobeli yaitu eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi onyakubwa talibolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemerobeli yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba